Whether you're working on a business presentation, document, web graphic, or any other type of design, Visme makes it easy to add comments, identify issues, and exchange feedback with your team. Visme's collaboration tools will help you get fast feedback right where you need it. Getting feedback in Visme is easy, so let's take a look at how it works. First, give your collaborators access to your design. To share your design, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Select Share Privately and choose whether you'd like your teammate to view, comment, or edit the design. Now you're ready to send the invite. Levels of access can be adjusted anytime, and all your teammates need to comment is a Visme account. Next, your collaborators will receive an email with the link to the design. They can click Open in Visme to start annotating and adding comments. Once they've clicked the link in the email, the project will open in their browser. You'll find all the annotation tools on the right side of your screen. Click the Show Comments button to see your options for leaving feedback. Use the pin to add a comment to a specific location in your document. Once you add a comment, you have flexibility to edit or remove it. You or your collaborators can also reply back and forth in a thread. Once you're done discussing, you can mark the comment as resolved. The same features are included for all the annotation styles that we'll go over next. Use the rectangle annotation to comment on a larger area or section. The same can also be done with the circle annotation. The Draw tool allows for free-form annotations. It can be useful for suggesting movement or removal of a particular design element. With the Line tool, you can underline or strike through specific words or items within the document. Finally, use the arrow to direct the eyes to a specific location. By default, the color of your annotations is set to red. For better contrast against your design, you can change the color by clicking the drop icon and selecting from the available color options. Now it's time to review your feedback. To access the comments, click the Comments icon. In the drop-down at the top, select to see all open comments, your comments only, or resolved comments. All comments left are numbered to keep the process organized. To see where in the design the comment was added, click on the comment. At this point, you can reply to the comment, resolve it, or move on to the next comment. Finally, review your notifications settings. You can choose to receive notifications for all comments, just replies on your comments, or no notifications. And that's how you can remove the hassle from your collaboration process with Visme. Ready to get started? Visit us at visme.com.